Ace.
Here.
Adam.
Here.
Apex.
Here.
Alexander. Alexander.
Here.
Azaro.
Here.
Barker. Barker. Barker.
He got adopted. Mike Kennel's mate's neighbor's cat's veterinarian's mechanic's uncle heard from this guy that goes to school with this girl who was at the park looking for her lost iguana when she saw him. Sounds like a nice big house.
Thank you, Bowie. Clyde. Clyde. Anyone remember this command? Anyone? Anyone? The stay command, which, anyone? Means we move or we don't move. Anyone? Anyone? We don't move. Do we get a treat for this? Anyone? Anyone? If we're good, we sometimes get a treat. Anyone know what this is? Anyone? A tennis something, ALL? Anyone? Anyone? A tennis ball? Anyone know what we use this for? Anyone? Anyone?